What's up, guys? Hey, I just got the tires installed and everything. I'm gonna pull over right now inside the highway, but the ride difference, man, feels way better, smoother. Of course, brand new tires. Man, my braking is excellent, especially with the new rotors and everything. Let me pull over real quick. Pull over right here. Show you guys the tires. Right there's good. Oh, almost lost the phone. So it's 255, 35, 20 all around. I might go 275 in the rear. Man. But like I was saying, I might go 275 in the rear and keep the 255s in the front. Tell me what you guys think. Comment below. Leave a like and subscribe. Keep you guys posted with more videos. I know I've been lagging on the videos, but I've been pretty busy working, and my fiance also taking care of her. And as you can see, brand new tires. Still got the sticker barely on it. But these Niddles, man, I think I'm gonna have to keep going with these. Niddles or Pirellis, one of them two. Beautiful. Yeah, I gotta get that painted, but let's see where's the tire thing. 255, 35, 20. Alright, that's your boy Eddie. Oh, antenna fell. Keep you guys posted. Lates.